Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of kitchen gadgets with the best manual apple peeler on the market, the Apple Peeler, stainless steel apple core slicer peeler by Qyestad. If you love baking or cooking with apples, this apple peeler is a game changer. It's made from durable heavy-duty die-cast magnesium alloy, making it both strong and lightweight. The stainless steel blades are sharp and efficient, allowing you to peel, core, and slice apples with ease. One of the standout features of this apple peeler is the strong suction base that adheres to all non-porous, smooth surfaces. This ensures stability and safety while you're peeling your apples. Additionally, the adjustable coring, slicing blade makes it easy to customize the thickness of the peel and the size of the slices. Not only does this apple peeler save you time and effort in the kitchen, but it also helps reduce food waste by utilizing your apples to the maximum. And the bonus of coming with 3 additional blades ensures that you never have to peel with dull blades. In conclusion, the Apple Peeler, stainless steel apple core slicer peeler by Qyestad is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone who loves working with apples. Its durability, efficiency, and ease of use make it a standout product in the market. Whether you're baking pies, making applesauce, or simply enjoying a fresh apple snack, this apple peeler will make the process a breeze. That's all for today's review on the best manual apple peeler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and happy peeling!